Don't replace her until you do these three things after a breakup. If you just went through a breakup, let me tell you something most men don't want to hear. The worst thing you can do right now is rush out and find another woman just because you can't stand being alone. Because if you haven't learned why the last relationship failed, you're not moving on, you're simply carrying the same man into a different relationship. And sooner or later, the new woman will meet the same insecurities, the same blind spots, the same weak boundaries, and the same mistakes that destroyed the last relationship. So before you replace her, do these three things. And stay with me, because number 3 is where a lot of men completely lose their judgment after a breakup. 1. Sit with it. Not forever. You're not supposed to spend 6 months crying over somebody who chose to leave, but sit with it long enough to understand what actually happened. Not her version, not the version you tell your boys to make yourself look innocent, the real version. Ask yourself, what did I contribute to the failure of this relationship? What did I ignore? What did I tolerate? Where did I abandon my own standards just to keep the peace? And be brutally honest. Maybe you ignored disrespect because you were afraid of losing her. Maybe you stopped communicating because you thought she should already understand. Maybe you became controlling. Maybe you became complacent. Or maybe you weren't the problem at all, and the biggest mistake you made was staying too long with somebody who wasn't right for you. Either way, learn the lesson. Because a breakup isn't automatically a failure. Repeating the same relationship with a different face is the real failure. And once you've understood what happened, you have to do something with that knowledge. That's where the second step comes in. 2. Build something. Don't immediately jump onto dating apps looking for somebody to distract you. Build. Build your body. Build your finances. Build your career. Build your discipline. Build your peace. Because one of the most dangerous things a man can do is make a woman the center of his identity. When the relationship ends, his entire world collapses because the relationship was his world. That's not love, that's dependence. You need to remember who you were before she arrived and become an even stronger version of that man afterward. Go to the gym when you don't feel like it. Handle your responsibilities. Get your money right. Reconnect with your purpose. Spend time with good men. Learn something. Travel if you can. Work on the parts of yourself you've neglected. And don't do it just to make your ex jealous. That's still making your life about her. Do it because you need to become a man who doesn't fall apart when one relationship ends. Come back to dating as a man who has been somewhere, not a man who has just been waiting for another woman to rescue him from loneliness. And once you've rebuilt yourself, there's one final thing you need to rebuild too: your standards. Before I give you that one, if you're getting value from this, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and leave a comment telling me what you think a man should do before entering another relationship after a breakup. And if you want deeper conversations like this, join the members only channel. That's where we go beyond the surface. Now, let's get to the one most men get wrong. 3. Raise your standard before you lower your guard. Your next woman should not receive unlimited access to you simply because you're attracted to her. Attraction is not qualification, and loneliness is certainly not qualification. The fact that she's beautiful doesn't mean she's relationship material. The fact that she's sexually compatible with you doesn't mean she's relationship material. The fact that she makes you feel good doesn't mean she's good for you. You've already paid the price for ignoring certain things, so this time, watch before you invest. Pay attention to how she handles conflict, how she speaks when she's angry, how she treats people who can't do anything for her, how she handles accountability, how she behaves when she doesn't get what she wants, whether her actions match her words, whether she respects your boundaries, whether she brings peace or constantly manufactures chaos. You don't have to become bitter. You don't have to punish the next woman for what the last woman did. But you also don't have to give the next woman the same access the last woman had day one. Trust should be built, not automatically handed over. And this is where mature men separate themselves from emotionally desperate men. A desperate man says, "I don't want to be alone." A disciplined man says, "I'd rather be alone than choose the wrong person again." That's a completely different mindset. Because the goal isn't to find another woman as quickly as possible. The goal is to make sure the next relationship is better than the one you just left. Don't rush because you're lonely. Don't lower your standards because you're horny. Don't ignore red flags because she's beautiful. And don't confuse attention with compatibility. Take your time. Understand what happened. Build yourself back up. Raise your standards. Then, when you meet someone new, don't give her everything because you're afraid of losing her. Give her access gradually as she demonstrates that she deserves it. You don't need to become colder after a breakup. You need to become wiser. The breakup cost you something. Make sure you don't pay the same price twice. Don't replace her. Replace the version of yourself that allowed the wrong relationship to continue and come back better.